Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Oil prices settled higher on Friday, but posted a weekly loss of 8.1% after news of potential increases to OPEC Plus supply. For the week, Brent fell 8.1%, the largest weekly loss in over 3 months. WTI tumbled 7.4% in the week. The dollar retreated to end last week, posting multi-week losses against major currencies, as uncertainty surrounding a US government shutdown clouded the outlook and delayed key data releases, such as payrolls, critical for gauging the economy's direction. Japanese shares are expected to keep setting records even as the nation's currency and bonds sputter after fiscal dove Sanai Takaichi was elected on Saturday to lead the ruling party and become prime minister.
The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial market.